This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. New construction 4 bedrooms/3 full bathrooms. Spacious floor plan, nicely appointed throughout with great attention to quality and details. Open kitchen stainless appliances, granite tops and a large center island. Primary suite has a spa-like bathroom with an oversized shower and a huge walk-in closet. Second floor laundry room. Large corner lot with mature trees and a detached 2-car garage. Short distance to Aju and the new Railyard at Lamberts Point development. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.